Hey friends, welcome back to another explosive crypto update. In today's video, we're talking about a coin that's starting to grab a lot of attention, Rex coin. Could Rex be the next big crypto gem? Can it pump in the short term, or should you hold it for the long run? Stick with me till the end because we're covering everything, the latest Rex coin news, price prediction, and future plans. So let's start with what Rex coin actually is. Rex is an emerging crypto project built on Web3 technology with a strong community-first approach. The goal is to become a valuable coin in the decentralized ecosystem by offering real utility, whether that's staking, governance, or being used within trading systems. Even though it's still new, Rex coin's community is growing fast. Right now, the price is sitting around fractions of a cent, about $0.0760 depending on the live market. The market cap is somewhere between $14 to $15 million. That puts it in the micro-cap zone with big growth potential. The 24-hour trading volume is fluctuating between $6 million. And about 70% of the total supply is already circulating in the market, which gives Rex some early stability. And that stability might be what attracts long-term investors. Just recently, Rex coin got listed on a major decentralized exchange. That helped boost trading activity. There are also rumors and hints that the team might launch their own NFT collection soon, which could expand Rex's use case even more. Another positive sign is the strong community activity. Twitter and Telegram are buzzing with Rex content, and it's clear that the team is working hard to go viral. Let's talk technicals. Support zones are sitting around $0.76000, that's the strong base area. Then there's a consolidation zone slightly above that, and short-term resistance is near $0.88000. If Rex breaks through that, we could see a short-term breakout at around $0.89001. Now for the price predictions. By the end of 2024, even if the overall market stays mildly bullish, Rex could hit $0.00001. If the NFT roadmap and staking features go live and get some attention by mid-2025, the price could push higher, maybe up to $0.00003 or even $0.00005. And in a full-on bull market by late 2025, with a strong community and a completed roadmap, Rex coin could potentially spike to $0.0001. Of course, none of this is guaranteed. As always, do your own research before making any investment. So that's today's update on Rex coin. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it. If you're already holding Rex, let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next update.